welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for chocolate semi-freddo. I'm hoping I pronounced that right. I believe this is an Italian dessert, and it is a frozen dessert with lots of milk products in it. This time we are adding some chocolate chips, and that is why it's called chocolate semi-freddo. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the recipe today, so let's get started. Only a few simple ingredients. We need 2 cups or 500 grams of mascarpone or ricotta cheese, half a cup or 170 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 2/3 cup or 100 grams of chocolate chips, 1 cup or 250 grams of cream. This is really easy. Put the mascarpone cheese into a large mixing bowl. Stir it a bit to soften it up. Stir in the sweetened condensed milk. I initially didn't add the full amount, so I had to add more afterwards. Stir in chocolate chips. Then, in a separate bowl, whip cream until cream reaches soft peaks. Fold into cheese mixture. Pour into bread pan lined with plastic wrap. Freeze overnight. Then place it in the fridge an hour before serving. Semi-freddo means half frozen, so it's not meant to be eaten fully frozen. Turn onto a plate or platter and cut with a knife. This dessert is really creamy and lovely. Can recommend. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.